Hey, welcome back to Argentina, I guess, because I don't have a shop yet. I traded my little SUV for an old Toyota pickup truck. Got myself a porta potty that lasted, this lot is like 40 meters by 100 meters. We decided to put it here, and a branch from that tree fell on it the second day and destroyed it. The guy had to come and put a new one, and then the next day this other branch fell, but that's on the other side. So I'm giving you a bit of an update. Today is Sunday. Tomorrow the crew is coming to start building the house. Kim had planted Damascus here, and she's got 35 red peppers going here. We've been collecting all this wood. She bought a bunch of trees. I believe that's an apple. We got two sabos. Sabos are this tree over here. Gives a little red. If you can see a little red flower. They're beautiful when they're young. Very light wood. Is they use it to make stuff for like fishing. And these are lemons and oranges, and we have two temporary living rooms set up because of where the sun hits one. So we have one here and one here. We'll remove a line of bushes that were here, kind of like cedar. They just collect mosquitoes. They were dividing the lot before you can see this area, which is going to be Kim's kingdom. Yeah, now I can speak neither English or Spanish. This is a quinoto tree, which is about to flower, it looks like. And she's got an orange and clementine there. These are all peach trees. And back there we have a plum tree and a fig that doesn't belong to us, but I'm trying to make a cutting out of it. Kim is trying to clear what is left of this stuff. You might be thinking, hey, you're not doing anything, but trust me, I'm out of breath. I have to remove 3 stumps. But I have to tell you, this is my little DeWalt. This was a 12-inch. I changed the bar for an Oregon. I think it's now 14 or 16, I'm not sure. But I cut this massive freaking log with it. Didn't even have to change the battery. I am using a 60-volt 6 milliamp, but this is what I was having a big fight with, and I had to use an axe. And so that's what's going on here. So I have to remove all these logs, at least from that log standing there and that one there and this one there are where the house is going to be. I'm missing one here, but it goes right around where I need to remove this stump here. There might be some wind noise, but I have no control over that. This guy is like an octopus. It's got roots all going sideways, and they're all about between 2.5 and 4 inches. So it's just a little bit of the time and axe, and the poor man. I don't even have a chain to pull it with a truck or something. But also tomorrow, guy comes to put a alambrado, they call it, like the wire fence that goes along here. My property is gonna end between these 2 trees over here. So from here that way, it's all mine. I was supposed to. We run into problems. The guy here has his. Basically, he divided the lot and sold me half, and his electricity and gas meter. Believe it or not, there's gas here. But are on my side, and I told the guy, I said, I don't care, dude, just leave it there. But no, he decided that he wanted to move it here. So he hired some dude. They cut the gas line, like they shut it off, they cut and they attach it to that, and they call for a new meter. And now, because the house was built a long time ago, before ventilation, all that stuff, they're making him rebuild half the house, and he had to get rid of all the heating equipment and replace it, and it's costing him a fortune. But they say you can bring a horse to water, you can't make him drink. So my other option to make an entrance was here, and I know this thing has no flowers right now, but it gives it beautiful little red flowers that are like a brush. They look like those things, like a toilet brush, but they're red. They're like beautiful. And I don't want to remove these two trees. I had some. So in the center, I have big pine trees. It will be a nightmare to remove that. So the only other option, mind you, they have an entrance over there, right? So the only other option was in this end, where people doing construction next door have piled up a bunch of garbage. So I open up in this end, and they already installed the gate. I bought this all it's new, like a farm gate. Those are the posts that are gonna go here to close it and reattach the wires here. And this is all, I mean, people cut the grass and it's a lot of brush. I don't understand why they don't just burn it, but they collect it here. There's another one there. Everyone has one. I don't know, it's kind of stupid. But I have a guy making me a road. That's going to be finished this week. And yeah, it's a bit of a nightmare. It's all new to me, but I'm navigating through it. And this apparently is, I don't know, this belongs to the neighbor, but apparently it's like $35 a truckload to take this out. So you tell me, this would probably be 2 truckloads here, $70 to have all the garbage there. It's just ridiculous, but whatever. I'm kind of new in the country now, so can't complain too much. And yeah, this is the idea is that I drive straight to here. I want to put a little building around here. This dead tree is gonna go, this big one here, and I put a pool here, and I think I'm gonna put another building over there, if I have enough money, that is, of course. But I can always tell, like those wannabe influencers, begging people for money or something. But I think I just make some stuff, sell it, and make a decent living like we're supposed to. But yeah, this is 2013 Toyota Hilux 4x4. This thing has like 148,000 kilometers, and I bought it for $24,000. And well, I better shut up and start helping Kim. So that's the update so far. I guess it's gonna get going now, because the construction guys come tomorrow, and yeah, bricks are gonna land and money start flying out. So anyways, big kiss. Thanks for hanging out with us and sticking with us through this crazy process that we're going through. Kim is having a ball, I tell you. She's loving it. I'm really surprised, because we didn't come visit the country or nothing. She just packed up and left. But anyways, I'm gonna pretend I'm still recording for a while, so I let her work and have myself a coffee. Nah, I won't do that. But anyways, love you and leave you. We'll catch up with you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.